There are two concepts in programming world: pass by value and pass by reference. Let's understand what it is. Let's say we have two variables a and b. So internally there are two locations with hexadecimal addresses named a and b. Suppose I say a is equal to 5, then the value 5 is stored at the location named a. Now I want to have the same value in both the variables. Then I can say b is equal to a. A's value goes to b, but they both have individual values. So if I change the value of a, then it won't reflect on the value of b. Let's see another way. I can assign the address of a to b. Now when I say b, it's actually referring to the value stored at a. So both of the variables will be referring to the same value. This is what pass by reference is. So any change in the value of a will reflect on b as well. We can achieve this in C++. Let's see how. I'll declare a variable int a is equal to 5. Now I will declare a pointer variable int star b is equal to address of a. Now let me try to display the value of b, and there, as you can see, it displays 5. Now let me change the value of a to 10 and again try to print the value stored at b. Let's run it. So here, even if I change the value of a, the variable b will display the updated value only. If I have it assigned by value like this, then you can see that the value of b is not changed, as 5 is assigned to b and not the reference of value stored at a.